It symbolizes the family happily and reunion. Two workmen spent almost 3 years work to finish the whole carving. It's all handmade. So later, everybody, you will just follow me to the inside. Let me show around to show you another famous Jade example. Okay, so everybody, listen please. So look at the second one. Let me show you a piece of a white jade. White jade is comes from the Xinjiang province of China, famous with the pure white color and transparency. So this is the king of a soft jade. Let me take a look at this carving. It is one kind of a vegetable, Chinese cabbage. People put the cabbage here. It's very good symbol. You know the pronunciation of a cabbage in Chinese. It's similar with money. Like a cabbage, we call that bai cai. Money is bai cai. Cai, it's similar pronounced. So cabbage in China, it only means the money and good fortune. But if we put cabbage for getting money, we need to pay more attention about the Chinese feng shui. Have you heard about that? Feng shui is popular, right? Look at the leaves of the cabbage. Should be facing outside the door or windows. And the root must be kept inside. It means the money always coming, not to others, just for you, for your family. So this is the feng shui money cabbage. And last, let me show you our best quality of jade. Look at the best one. So talk about the best quality of jade should be the Jadeite. Jadeite comes from Burma and Yunnan province of China. This is the king of all of the jade. First because it's very hard, just like a diamond. So people only use jadeite to make into the traditional bracelets, pendants, or some jewelries. According to jadeite different quality, it has A and B grade. The A quality jadeite, it's the best one and it wants the winner. B, just medium quality. And these two bracelets, they are B quality. A lot of people will still like to call jadeite. It's living jade. And please remember that. Any piece of a jadeite jewelry, after people wearing it can be changing colors, just according our body temperature and the condition of our health. And my body can more healthy, colors of jadeite can be changed, more darker, even more greener. So jadeite, it has life. Such as this one, after people wear it 2 or 3 years later, the color will be changing like that one. Then changing like this color. Color change makes the wear healthy. This is the best living jade. Another side, let me show you some jadeite pendants. So all together, people carve the 12 pieces of different animals. It's just like the zodiac from Western. We will just according the different year we was born, and you get little animal and wear that, bring you back to longevity. So everybody can take a look at mirror and see more detail. Like this is the tiger, the dragon.
いくらねネズミの線にこれ牛カウ